mo song now on TikTok?
Yeah, everyone's singing.
Handtricks.
Toby loves it.
Why me? I don't know that.
Handtricks?
Oh.
Sikat din yan sa Korea. Cartoons nga yan.
Wow.
Later, I will wait for you two downstairs. Okay?
Wow, electric car. Is this a roof, sunroof, Tom?
Yeah. It's sunproof.
Sunproof. I mean, you can open this one, right?
No.
Ah, I
This
see.
This roof is 99% something block the UV.
Is it like how do you call this? Ano na yung ano, brother, yung may solar from this
solar.
one? You think? No.
You mean what was solar?
Solar panel in this
The power comes from
No,
the sun.
no.
I see. Wow.
It's battery.
The battery, how many hours lasts?
No, it's not hours. It's kilometers.
Kilometers.
Kilometer. How many kilometers, Tom?
Around 590.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
nice car. It's my first time to ride the
But
luxury
every day
car.
you charge it though. You charge it every day.
No need. Charge like maybe around less than 2 weeks. I will have to charge one time.
Easy to drive, huh?
Easy.
Just accelerator and
Yeah,
brakes.
because it's just like automatic car.
Yeah. And the screen is so large. Yeah. Also, you can watch that with YouTube.
That one can watch movie. That one. Turn it on.
Oh, I see.
Netflix.
It's Chinese channel, but
Nice,
it has lots of movie.
What's the brand of this car again, Tom?
Expand.
Expand.
Yeah.
Expand.
May magandang
This
Chinese
is
na
from
movie.
brand of made from China.
Yeah. It's the Chinese EV car is taking over the world. Better than Tesla.
Ayan,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
They really are breaking down the Tesla.
But cannot drive by themselves, cannot.
This one can.
No?
Wow.
But in China it's better because the car is made in China. It's made for China.
The road, they know the road
yes.
already.
Macau, the street is kind of also can, but the robot will ask you to take over many times. But in China, it can drive automatically to your destination.
Oh. And also have a very sensitive vision for example the cars.
Yeah, because it's this one is AI camera, so you can see the here. The car can detect the surrounding. So if there's a car in front,
Yeah.
the camera can see.
So maybe how many meters it will alarm you if you're so near to them.
Maybe 50 centimeters.
Oh.
I can adjust.
You can adjust.
I can adjust
Oh, I
distance.
see.
Yeah.
Also the side by side, right? It will something. It will you
It will alarm you.
hurt. Yeah.
Ito brother, ano, yung Demon Hunter. Sikat sa Netflix yan. Ganda ng pelikula, may karaoke na yan eh.
This one can make karaoke.
Karaoke also.
Oh.
I can buy 2 microphone, and you
While
can
driving,
sing.
you can sing.
Not me, but the passenger.
The passenger.
Cannot, yeah.
Well, you can also if you like.
I cannot. Only the passenger.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
If, for example, you wanna sing, it
Cannot.
really cannot.
Like here,
Yeah.
when I'm driving.
Yeah,
When I'm sitting here,
yeah.
I'm not able to see the screen there. I see it completely dark.
Oh,
So here you can
that's
see now.
I cannot see now.
wow. That's good.
Yeah, even if you're watching.
So
movie,
you can concentrate on the road.
Yes.
Yeah.
The purpose is
That's the
not distracting.
purpose.
Not distracting
That.
me.
I
But
see.
it's good,
That's
ah.
good.
It's good.
Yes.
Wow. Very, very, very.
Intelligent design.
Yes, and then the thinking of this whole car is very, very good. He really secured the passengers.
Yeah.
Wow. I hope hindi ako maano dito because I will try to post this in FB. or
Basically,
no,
Chinese movie.
YouTube, I mean. Yeah, but I think I don't know if I will be copyrighting these sounds.
Oh,
Yeah,
I think it's okay.
I hope.
It's just like you're doing a review of a car.
Yeah.
Ano to? Pangalan to? Lord of the Ring? Lord of the Ring ba yan?
Oh, ayan. Parang Harry Potter eh.
Harry Potter.
If the Chinese brand, if they're able to enter the North American market, Tesla will be done. To be
Oh.
honest, Tesla will. I don't think they can.
But they will not allow it.
They don't allow Chinese-made car enter the U.S. market.
Yeah.
They don't allow. If they allow, the whole market will be, belongs to China.
Yeah, because I think this car is so for the Macau people or in
No.
other country, this is a
There's
cheap one, right?
There's one here.
Have the
You
massage. Have the massage.
Just to use it
Oh.
properly.
Massage.
Okay, well, I will try a massage. Also has a massage there. Okay.
You try your back.
Try.
It's massaging, right?
May massage.
Also for Jesse.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a cool one. It's not so hard. It's soft.
Sarap
Wow.
matulog. You can sleep here.
Oh, you see? Yeah, it's good. Can relax until if you are so
If we have a long
tired,
hour,
yeah.
long road trip,
Yeah.
even me,
Wow.
I can
Also
also
you.
turn it on.
Oh, yeah, but it's good. It's not so hard. It's soft. That's why you can also focus on your driving.
That's why, Tesla they don't have this.
Oh, really the mind of Chinese, huh?
Galing ah.
Mind-blowing Chinese this car. That's good.
Karena may massage pa doon. May massage siya.
Mm.
And if you
So
speak
the
Chinese,
texture?
you can just voice control the car
But only Chinese.
only in Chinese, only in Mandarin. I can say like stop the massage
Okay,
now.
Like Siri,
so
ah.
Like Siri,
that's
yeah.
it, my friend. So this is Xpeng China model car. Nice one. My first time to ride a very luxurious car. Thank you, my friend.
Wait.
See that? Oh, wow. Okay, see you guys.
Just wait.